Okay, so I just wanted to give you guys a tour of our workbench and job board area. Very important first thing is this mat to make standing here tolerable all day. Very helpful. Everything here is labeled, so you know what you're missing when you're missing it. And when you need to reorder more, it's very clear. And then you know where everything goes exactly. And that is further taken here up top. You know, everything has a label underneath it. And then also everything is color coded for where it's supposed to go in the shop. So these are all blue, and then we're gonna go over here really quick. This cart has the same tools on it, but these are all red. So when I find a C-wrench in the shop, I know where it goes. And then we have our clipboards with the jobs that are either we need to pick or we need to return. And then we have priority, which goes first. And then we also have these handy tags, so we can tell people what they're supposed to do, what truck it's going to be on, how much they should worry about it. And let's see what else there is. Oh, there's we have an air compressor, not on right now, and that goes up over there. And yeah, oh, this is good. Having trouble figuring out where to put this when we were not using it. Just did that. Perfect. And yeah, job ticket holders. That's pretty much it. And also it's outlined on the floor, so if it ever gets moved, you know something's missing. Okay, there you go. It's a small tour of our shop.